Hi there, students. Glib, glibly as an adverb. Okay, glib describes somebody who is smooth talking. They're persuasive, they're silver-tongued, but they're insincere. They don't really mean what they say. Or what they've said lacks thought and is very superficial or shallow. So, glib, somebody who is fluent but insincere, okay, or they haven't put a lot of thought or understanding into what they're actually saying. So, for example, you could have the glib speech of the politician said that there was nothing to worry about. Glib platitudes rolled off his tongue as he thanked me. So he wasn't really grateful, but his thank you was extremely eloquent, but a bit insincere. So, glib, spoken confidently, but without careful thought. Yeah, or without honesty. He lied glibly, so it was easy for him to make up wonderful and very plausible lies, but in the end, they're lies. He was glibly positive about things. So glib, easy spoken, but not really going into any depth. Don't be so glib. Stop using the easy explanation and think about it. Think about what you're saying. Or he was so glib in the way he acted with us that I don't really want to meet him again. He's insincere. He doesn't mean what he says. A glib tongue. Okay, so this adjective glib comes from Low German, glibberig, meaning slippery. So I can understand how slippery transformed into this meaning. Now, your next question, what about formality? Glib, I don't think this is a word that I would use in an informal conversation in the pub, although you might have a glib conversation in the pub. I think, well, silver-tongued but insincere. Yeah, with the gift of the gab, something like that. To me, glib sounds much more literary. I think it's a good descriptive adjective in an essay or something like that. So stick to semi-formal and very formal situations for the use of this word. So, glib, smooth talking, silver tongued, persuasive, but either insincere, they don't mean what they say, or lacking thought, they're just speaking for speaking without actually thinking about what they're saying. So it's superficial or shallow. Okay? So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Glib, glibly.